What's going on, guys? In this video, I just want to reiterate the importance of trading one strategy and sticking to it. Obviously, with V5 Algo Pro, it comes with my 3 automated strategies, and I always urge members, especially new members, to take one of those strategies and focus on that alone. Right, so we have the signals with V5 Algo Pro. We have the signals, we have the AOIs, and we have the intraday breakouts. And in this video, I'm going to show you the benefits of trading just one of these strategies, focusing on one of them. And even, if you want to, taking that down even further and only trading one time frame. But if we take yesterday, for example, and we take the intraday breakouts, right? If you guys are members, you know what the intraday breakouts are. We only have one of these strategies on the charts right now, which is the intraday breakouts. We have the AOI levels turned off and we have the signals turned off, just so we can focus on one specific setup. And if we look at the hourly time frame yesterday, there is 2 opportunities for a trade, 1 and 2. The first one is invalid because we have a closure below, but then the next candle does not break the lows. And again, members, you know what I'm talking about here. If you're not a member, once you sign up, you will understand what I'm talking about. It's very simple. But the second opportunity we have on the hourly time frame is with the hourly closure below the intraday level, and the next candle comes down and breaks the lows. And from there, you get an opportunity in the market to have at least 140 pip profit. If we go back to Friday on the hourly time frame, there's no setups here and no setups here. So no trades on Friday, no trades on Thursday, no trades on no trades on Wednesday. You have opportunity here on early Tuesday or late Tuesday with a 1 hour breakout. Okay, there's your intraday level. There's your 1 hour breakout, and the next candle comes and breaks the highs. So you would have the opportunity for 100, like over 100, 200, 300 pips profit at that point before price comes back to break even. No opportunity here, no opportunities here, no opportunities there. Here you would have the opportunity to have at least 20 pip take profit potentially. Here there's no invalid entry, invalid. Here you would have, get triggered in, you'd have the opportunity for 55, 56 pip profit before price comes down and hit your break even. Nothing there, nothing there. Did we get anything here? Nothing there, nothing there. Here we get the opportunity to get triggered, nothing there. There you get about 45 pips profit. There you would have, you'd probably be out of break even on that trade. So as you can see, by taking one of these strategies, and we can see a couple more examples over here, in this case, you would have the opportunity for a 94, 95 pips profit, even potentially more than that, 150 pips profit before price comes back to a break even. Here you would have about 20 pips profit before price comes back to a break even. So you can see by choosing one strategy on one time frame, there was not a single loss there that we had during that time if you're managing risk correctly. Okay, if you're moving stops to break even. But there is multiple opportunities for you to make profit. And all we did was focus on one time frame and one of the V5 strategies. And why that may not seem appealing to you, because there's going to be 2, 3, 4 days potentially where you're not taking a trade over the course of 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, and 6 months, and then the year. You're going to see how beneficial this is and how your long-term data, your stats, your profitability is just going to skyrocket. And once you have that down pat, maybe then you can choose the hourly time frame and then also the 30-minute time frame, right? So now you're having more opportunities for entries, and so you're combining now the 30-minute and the hourly. Okay, and you get opportunities here for some very nice trades coming up, 130 pips, 200 pips plus. This is the benefit of focusing on one strategy, one time frame, right? And then after, say, 3 to 6 months, add another time frame, right? So you're sticking to one strategy, but you're adding more time frames for more entries. And you're just going to see, like I said, over the course of a minimum 3 to 6 months and then potentially the year, you're going to see how much your results have improved. You're going to see the discipline, you're going to see the consistency, and you're going to see the profitability over the long term. I urge you to try this out with V5 with us in the Discord. This is what I do. I mainly trade intraday breakouts with all three time frames: 15-minute, 30-minute, and hourly. And I also trade some AOI break and taps here and there because I have the experience to. I've been doing this for almost 9 years now, trading this way with these strategies for the last 4 years. So I understand the process. I understand what it takes to have those results over the long term, and I'm giving it to you right here. Okay, it's right here. All you have to do is follow it. But again, a lot of you are gonna look at that and you're gonna be impatient, right? You want quick results. You want to be rich quick, right? And that's where you're gonna fail. But I'm giving you the blueprint. I'm giving you all the necessary information that you need for you to be profitable. You literally, if you follow this, I guarantee you, you will be profitable. But there's going to be 2, 3, 4 days, maybe even a week where you don't take a trade, and that is absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with that. At least you're not losing money. But in the long run, you're going to start building your account. And what you have to focus on is the capital that you're eventually going to build. You're only going to need to take 1 or 2 trades a week, 1 or 2 trades, potentially even a month. If you have a 100K account eventually, or 50K, 100K account, you only need to take a couple trades in a month that hit your take profit. And if you're managing risk on your other trades, a couple winning trades per month, and you're going to be able to make a crazy amount of money per month with minimal trading. And that is the goal. You don't want to be sitting here all day, 10 hours a day or longer, looking for setups on the 5-minute time frame or any time, entry. Oh, no. Hit stop loss. Another entry. Oh, no. Another entry. Like, people who make money in this industry do not trade like that. Okay. You have to remember that. You have to think the way the big players think. They're not sitting here on the 1-minute or 5-minute chart, like fucking going crazy over 1-minute, 5-minute entries. Like, oh, 5 pips, yes. Oh, 10 pips, yes. Right. They're not doing that. They're long-term investors. They have a lot of capital, and they only need to be looking at taking advantage of certain moves once or twice per month, maybe, or once a week. So have that mindset. Think the way the big players think, and I promise you, if you follow this, if you just go to the 1 hour time frame, if you're a member, or if you're not a member and you're interested, go to the 1 hour time frame, trade out intraday breakouts on the 1 hour time frame only at first on gold or one pair, but I highly recommend gold, and you're going to see the results. You're going to see it skyrocket. Again, opportunity here for 35 pips profit, opportunity over here for 90 pips profit, opportunity over here for 23, 24, or 140, 150 pips profit. Nothing there, nothing there. So here's the days, right, where you go 1 day, 2 days without a trade. And then on the 3rd day, you get a nice entry. The 4th day, you get a nice entry. And then this day, no trade. Nice entry there. Price pushing up 94 pips. You get entry that day. You get an entry this day. You get an entry this day. Price pushes down 50 pips into profit. No entry this day. You get an entry this day. So there's going to be like a day with no trade, and then a couple of days with a trade, and then potentially a couple of days with no trade, and then a day with it. You know what I mean? It's going to go like that. Here, you can see another entry on the 1 hour, 130 pips profit. So you can see by building that consistency, by building that discipline over the long run, you're going to make decent profits with this. Okay. So try it out. That is my advice to you, especially new members. And it goes back to 1 setup, 1 pair, 1 window using V5. Okay. You get 2 windows, 1 setup, 1 pair, 1 window. Try it out. Give it 3 months, 6 months, even a year. And I guarantee you, okay, I'm literally telling you right now how to become profitable, but it's not what you want to hear. You want to hear 10 trades a day, making 10% a day, right? That's what I hear from most people. They want to make 10% a day, 5% a day. I like your ambition, but it's not really, the big players in this game, they'll make 10% in a month, or 10% in 6 months, or even 10% in a year. But where that is different is if they've got $100,000, or if they've got $1 million and they're making 10% of that, that's a lot of money. Just think about it that way. Be in this for the long run. Don't have a short-term mindset. Look to the future. Build for the future. Focus on each day, but build for the future with that future in mind. And I guarantee you, if you follow these rules, you will start to find profitability. I guarantee you. And you're going to come back and you're going to thank me for this video. You're going to say, Cody, I'm so glad I listened to you, because now I'm profitable. I understand what it takes to become profitable. I understand what it takes to be disciplined, consistent, and profitable. And I thank you, Cody. All right. So remember this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.